Final level. You faced the giant words and you won. Let's read with pride. I do not like them anywhere. Level 1. Listen first. Anywhere. Together now. Anywhere. Well done. You faced a big word calmly and won. You are a world conqueror. Level 2. Think of your favorite place in the world. Today, I promise you can take your reading anywhere you go. Listen. I would not like them anywhere. Read with me. I would not like them anywhere. Excellent. Your reading voice is becoming a powerful tool. Level 3. You have worked so hard to get here. Today, I promise to help you read a sentence that children all over the world know. Listen first. I do not like green eggs and ham. Together now. I do not like green eggs and ham. Clear and steady and perfect. You sound like a professional. Level 4. Imagine a smooth silk ribbon. Today, your reading will flow just like that. Let's read like we are talking to a best friend. Listen. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. Wonderful! You aren't just saying words, you were telling a story. Final level. You face a giant and you won. Let's read with pride. I do not like them anywhere. Yes, you just read huge ideas in a row. Your brain is a supercomputer. Because your memory is so strong today, you just earned the Memory Champion badge. Week 7 is in the books. You are ready for anything now. Parents, next week is the big finale, the ending of the book. Get your cameras ready to record your child reading the last page. See you for the final week 8.